Hi guys, welcome back. It's LSP. It's currently the 8th of January 2020. I just wanted to record this, I just wanted to record this trade. As I mentioned, study trades and main trades are completely different, and I want to start to show you guys some of the trades that I take to kind of separate the two. Okay, so the study trades are all about watching live price, tracking live price, seeing what price is doing, and then learning from the experience. This, what you're seeing here, is just a normal trade, something that I would definitely take. Obviously, you can see I've had a really nice day today. Explosive move ups, taking out all the liquidity above. Very standard, really. Nothing too exciting. All the way up. Didn't go quite as high as up here. But definitely cleared out whatever liquidity was up there in terms of these highs and this high and this high and so on. And then obviously we get a really nice reaction away from that. And then if we drop down to the 4 hour, you can kind of see I got in about here, currently up about 23 pips or so, and the most around about 35 pips or so. What I'll do, I will put a 20 pip stop on this. Almost. Oh, is that 20 pips? Yep. So I'll put a 20 pip stop on that. I've got a target down here. Oh, let's try again. I've got a target down here around about 57 pips. I've got a 20 pip stop. So I'm just going to let that do its thing. Obviously, target wise, pretty simple, below all of these lows and into the imbalance down here and this area here. Okay, so we should see at least 62 whole number today, or 62 handle, and that's this trade. Like I said, just wanted to get this up and recorded while the trade was open, just to make sure there's no misunderstandings and it's not after the fact, whatever the case may be. And regardless, as I'm sure you guys know by now, I'm very transparent. So regardless of whatever happens with this trade, this is a sort of trade that I would take. If it ends up, getting stopped out, that's fine. I'll still post it anyway, because obviously transparency and honesty is very, very important to me. But where we're at right now, it's very unlikely that price is going to come back up here. So I'm happy to put a hard stop in. I would say I'll be monitoring and watching this very closely. If it gets to 20, 62.20, I'll take half the position off, which is, looks like it's going to want to do it now. This is actually pretty cool. We can do this live. Need to modify the order. Market execution. We'll take half of the position off now. I may not even have to. It just looks like it wants to go straight there. Should get. We'll take half off. Bring the stop to +1, and there we go. After all that, very, very, very nice example. And I was going to say, but I never got a chance to say it, but I was going to say we should see a little pop into that area where the target was. And you can see, very simple trade, guys, very easy to understand. And this is the type of trading that I do regularly, very consistently, throughout the year. So like I said, I really want to make the distinction between this main trading and the style and the patience and what I'm looking for, and the study trades. All right. I also want to say that this is not a trade that I would have taken on my main account. I only trade euro and pound on my main account, and I rarely add, pairs to my arsenal until I know and understand them very, very well. All right. So again, to make a very clear distinction, this is the sort of trade that I would take. This is a main trade. This is something that I absolutely would take. I'm very happy with this trade. Ticked all the boxes. And then the study trade stuff is completely separate, guys. All right, so I want to make the emphasis as much as I possibly can. So I'm going to do my best to show these types of trades so we can make a clear distinction, because this is not, I don't want you guys to think that that kind of study trading, haphazard, loose, throwing myself into the market, is the way that I trade. I don't. That's not what I do. This is what I do. Yeah, the study trades, make the most of them. Watch them, learn from them, study them, and glean as much information as you can from them, because that's where most of all of the educational content really shines, because it's live trading action, or live price. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I'll leave this one where it's at. And obviously that was the second one. So let me just. Oh, why's that not working? Strange. I'm trying to put it on the chart, it's not having it. Oh, there we go. Okay. I suppose it's better to look at the 15-minute, really, I guess. Yep, so there you go. Entered here. Okay, had the first pull down here, and you'll notice range-wise, yep, had around about 12 pips or so there, 25 pips or so there, 46 pips or so there, and then obviously right down to the target, which is around about 60 pips or so, and literally bang on. The target profit was set at 62, the $62 handle. All right, so there's the trade. That's that. Hope the video finds everybody well, and I'll catch up with you in the next installment. Take care.